Hey y'all, it's Carmen with Real Life, Real Life, and I am here to do a VR for PhoneJones, and she's doing a Falling for Halloween challenge. With that, she gives you the option. You can either do fall or you can do Halloween. I chose to go Halloween. And she is requesting a memory dex with, all your information. She's asking for a VR, if you can do a VR, and one shaker item. Now, I'm going to, as always, leave her description, her link in the description box below. So be sure to open it, click on that link, go check out the details of her giveaway. But I'm early enough that there's plenty of time for you to join, so make sure you check her out. Now, I made, let's see, I'm going to throw in some little goodies. I've got more. I just haven't, I wanted to go ahead and get this VR up because I wanted to give y'all plenty of time. I know I'm really bad about not doing that. And anyway, so I've got a couple little goodies, but I've got some other things in mind I'd like to do for her. So I'm not finished yet, and this probably won't get met out till next week, but hey, this gives you extra time. But I put her in some of my little eyeballs, my realistic eyeballs, just a couple little punch outs, and of course the candy everybody loves, and this is in the Halloween. And again, shout out to Bethy's, because she's the one who does the tutorial on that, and if you want the link to that, that's in my previous video, or two. Be sure to check her out. She's got some great stuff on her channel. But let's start here with the memory decks. Basically, I'd already had this black and white houndstooth. Y'all know I love my houndstooth, but I'd already had this card made up. And so what I did is to turn it into Halloween, I took some orange ink and distressed the edges, orange and black. And so I did that, and I put this on here so that when you remove it, she can use it for something else, but there's still a little design with the witch and the spider web in the corner. But I had the paper, and I'm not sure which paper it was. It might have actually been the 5 Seasons. Don't quote me on that. The 5 Seasons from Holly Lobby. But I fussy cut the Trick or Treat Happy Halloween out. I fussy cut that. I put the green eyelash trim. I did, if y'all remember when I hauled the little sequins from Dollar Tree, I was like, how cute would that be if you did a little graveyard with the ghost coming out of it, or tombstone. So I took my own advice and did it. And then of course I added some jewels, and again that's the confetti that I got from Dollar Tree. And then I added the black striped black, orange, and green striped paper to layer it. And like I said, she can take, my hands will work. She can take the clip and leave it on, or she can remove it and use it for something else. And then on the back, there's my information, and it's just Velcroed shut. And it says boo, and a skeleton or crossbones. And here is my shaker. Y'all, this is actually my first shaker item. So, with that, I put a little, it's actually a witch mermaid. Let's see if you can see her tail. I think maybe it's not glaring too much, but she's got a little fish tail right there. And so, hold on, we gotta do the sound. Oh, isn't that so satisfying? Look at this. Maybe it's from our baby instincts where we like rattles. I don't know. But there's something about, I agree with everybody, there's something about the shaking. But I put some sea beads. I put the Boo confetti from Dollar Tree. I put a little witch in there. And then I did a mixture of green and purple. And I just thought it turned out good. And I added a couple stars on here. And then there's the back. And I added the spider web, and Boo again. Let's see, am I in? Nope, this way. Focus. And then I had the glitter paper, so I double layered it. And then around the edges, because it was rough, I actually took my glitter glue and just filled it in. And I did it layers at a time so that, you know, number one, so I could be careful. And then number two, so it gives it a very smooth, like rubbery edge, sort of. But anyway, I hope she likes it. I do. I mean, I enjoyed making it. And again, like I said, that's my first one. So, and I hadn't seen that anybody's made her this yet. So I thought, well, that's what I'm going to do. But anyway, now y'all be sure to check her out. And I hope you enjoyed this. Please do me a favor. Give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below and tell me what was your favorite or what you think will be her favorite. And as always, I hope you have a great weekend and best wishes.